Looking for the ultimate theme park adventure this summer? From the sunny shores of California to the thrill capital of Orlando, we've got you covered. And the best part? You can save big on tickets through our friends at Allred Travel, your go-to source for discounted attraction tickets, hotels, and vacation packages. Let's dive in. Starting in sunny California, let's explore some of the best parks the West Coast has to offer. San Diego Zoo, an urban paradise home to over 4,000 rare and fascinating animals. From playful pandas to mighty polar bears, every turn is a chance to witness nature at its best. Disneyland Resort. The happiest place on earth is bringing the magic with Tiana's Bayou Adventure, the Disneyland 70th celebration and Season of the Force. Whether you're reliving childhood memories or making new ones, Disneyland has infinite ways to make you say woohoo. Legoland California Resort. Dino Valley is now open. Roar alongside brick-built dinosaurs, explore over 60 attractions, and cool off at the Legoland Water Park. It's the ultimate spot for young builders and adventure seekers alike. SeaWorld San Diego, where education meets entertainment. Watch thrilling animal shows, experience breathtaking rides, and learn how SeaWorld's rescue program helps marine life around the world. Universal Studios Hollywood. Lights, camera, action. Go behind the scenes on the famous studio tour. Experience the magic of Hogwarts or power up at a Super Nintendo World. Plus, Fan Fest nights are coming soon. Get ready for an epic adventure. Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. Ever wondered where your favorite movies and shows come to life? Take a behind-the-scenes look at iconic sets from Friends, DC Universe, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Knott's Berry Farm, the birthplace of theme park thrills, from roller coasters to boysenberry treats. This classic park delivers non-stop fun. And don't miss seasonal events like Knott's Scary Farm and Knott's Merry Farm. California's Great America. If you're near San Jose, don't miss the thrilling roller coasters and family-friendly attractions that make this park a top destination for adventure. Now, let's travel across the country for even more thrills. SeaWorld Orlando. Ride the record-breaking icebreaker coaster. Explore SeaWorld Rescue's manatee rehabilitation and witness jaw-dropping marine life up close. Legoland Florida Resort. An entire world built for kids. From Lego Ninjago Adventures to the all-new Sea Life Florida opening in May 2025, the fun never stops. Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Wild rides meet wild animals. Experience Iron Gwazi, the world's fastest and steepest hybrid coaster, or get up close with over 12,000 animals in one of North America's largest zoos, Universal Orlando Resort. 4 incredible theme parks, including the highly anticipated Universal Epic Universe opening in May 2025. Explore Hogwarts, race with Jurassic World's Velocicoaster, and splash into fun at Volcano Bay. Kings Island, home to Orion, one of only 7 giga coasters on the planet. Plus, enjoy family fun at Planet Snoopy and summer events like Grand Carnival. Carowinds. Straddling North and South Carolina, this park is home to Fury 325, the world's tallest and fastest giga coaster. Kings Dominion, Virginia's top theme park, now open year-round. From world-class coasters to the family-friendly Planet Snoopy, there's something for everyone. No matter where your travels take you, these parks offer something for everyone, from jaw-dropping coasters to unforgettable animal encounters. And don't forget, you can save big on tickets, hotels, and vacation packages with our friends at Allred Travel. Check the links in the description to plan your next adventure. Until next time, happy travels.
Be strong.